If you are planning a trip to Canada or have traveled there before, there's an important update you need to know. Did you know Canada is no longer automatically issuing 10-year tourist visas? If you have traveled to Canada before or have plans to, this update could affect you directly. For years, Canada's 10-year multi-entry tourist visa made it easy for visitors to come and go without reapplying. But in 2024, Canada announced a major change, that is the long-term visas are no longer standard. Instead, each visa application will be reviewed individually with shorter validity periods becoming the new normal. So why the shift? It's mainly to reduce pressure on Canada's immigration system and address visa misuse. Previously, some travelers used these long-term visas to make extended, often unauthorized stays or even work without permits. Canada's focus is now on streamlining its immigration resources for skilled workers and students who contribute more directly to its economy. So if you're wondering what would be the impact on the travelers, this shift means travelers will now face more stringent criteria like proving financial stability and strong ties to their home country. For business travelers and families, this adds a layer of unpredictability, especially for those from countries with higher visa demand like India and China. Here's what you can do to adapt. Apply early to avoid processing delays. If you are in Canada, consider extending your current visa instead of reapplying. And for eligible travelers, using Canada's ETA system might make short-term trips easier. While Canada's new rules add complexity, they also aim to ensure that resources are available for high priority cases. Well, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.